In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable top results from Outlook Search. If you've ever searched your inbox and noticed a separate top results section sitting above your recent messages, that's Outlook trying to guess what's most relevant. It can be handy, but it can also get in the way if you prefer strictly chronological results. Here's how to turn that off in the Outlook web app so your searches show everything in a single, consistent list. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook and open the official Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land in your inbox. Once you're in Outlook on the web, look to the upper right corner of the page for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Settings pane. You'll see a few quick options, but for what we need, we'll go into the full settings list. In the left-hand navigation of the Settings area, select General. This section groups app-wide preferences. From there, choose Search. This is where Outlook lets you fine-tune how results appear and how the search experience behaves. Within the Search area, locate the section labeled Search Results. Here, you'll find the option that controls the feature we want to disable. Look for the checkbox that says Show Top 7 Most Relevant Results. Uncheck this box. By turning it off, Outlook will stop splitting your search into a top results block and the rest of the results, and will instead present one unified list that respects your sort order. After unchecking that option, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the Settings pane and click it. Saving is important. If you navigate away without saving, Outlook will keep the old behavior. From now on, when you search, Outlook on the web will no longer prioritize a handful of messages at the top. Instead, you'll see a single, streamlined set of results, which makes it easier to scan everything without jumping between sections. If you ever decide you miss the top results view, you can come back to the same setting and re-enable the checkbox. A couple of quick notes before we wrap up. The layout and labels in Outlook can change slightly over time, but the search settings remain under the general category in the web app. If you're using the desktop Outlook application, the options may differ, and if your work account is managed by an organization, some settings might be controlled by your administrator. That's it. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy cleaner, more predictable searches in Outlook.